in Masaka alongside Tiamare, and of course one and only Gondomusomesa called who? Kaibanda. He told me this junction, this junction, we have to only speak only English, not that.
Yes.
This is called Kai's moment.
Yes.
Only English is supposed to be spoken.
And it is not comes from Mayungwe. This moment, there was a meeting of OAU.
OAU.
Yeah.
Organization of.
They are seated in UK.
And even Simon.
African Union.
Simon.
Yes.
You have to make the world remember that on 12th of this May, the president is going to say Agawarai.
Which is okay.
Yeah.
Which is okay.
Are you going to attend the Agawarai ceremony of the president
as
of Uganda?
As who?
As the worker at the
Ugandan.
As a Ugandan who has benefited the government.
How have I
because you were born in the regime of
Simon, haven't you benefited from the regime of President Museveni?
How?
Yeah?
You are driving a hammer.
You are driving a hammer.
You have children.
Ojira mukawundo wanongo tubuza.
Even he has a children.
You have even a children.
When we are in the bush, have we?
Even yesterday.
Produce children.
Even
when we are in the bush.
Yesterday, even Simon
yesterday. Produce children because there is peace.
I got a chance of looking at your buttocks. You have a tattoo of the NRM.
Hey,
you have a tattoo.
Only what the ground is.
I saw you your buttocks. The left one.
I rather have that one of Segirinya. I rather have that one of Segirinya rather than having that one of
Yes, of course. I wanted to thank so much VVD, all the Ugandans who listening this moment. Because this moment is not for Vanachura. We are showing the fruits of our schools, teachers, and whatever you do. You don't know see. That is it.
I am understanding.
But anyway, when you are speaking Vanachura in this moment, I hate you.
They give you Chikutia.
I hate you.
That's school.
Because, and that's what I don't want to beat Buffalo in this moment.
Already you are beating Buffalo.
That's why I talk Edio.
Okay, you tell us.
You tell us. There is two types of English. There is English of the British soil. The man and women is over inside the
Wabataka.
Where they and there is an English of what you are talking now. The borders, on the borders, Africa, East Africa, whatever you do. But the British soil English, it is very that's what I'm talking. People like, they say
it is like Swahili of the.
I can say something. People and they say Kaiban is a liar. He's lying us.
Like what?
The English I talk. People can say it's not a good English because they don't know.
Yesterday you told me you only have hobbies. You have mid. You said you told me you have
Mukazambi. I'm not schooling with
it. Because his English is bad. I see his English.
My hobbies was very, very clever.
Like
Segona. Kasibante Moses. Yusuf Marino of Uganda. Warukaga Segonja.
You don't have a woman?
A woman.
A mother? What about Betty
Kamia? Betty Kamia is my
your neighbor.
My auntie. My aunt is a grasshopper killer, and my wife is a grasshopper killer.
You didn't say name.
Yeah.